Dito naman tayo sa question from Kapamilya Vines. Okay. This one is for Crystal and Miguel. Okay. Wow. Before entering PBB, you were launched as some of the new Gen Kapamilya actors via Lavender Fields. Congratulations, by the way. If may naka-ready ng projects sa inyo, sino-sino ang Kapamilya artists na gusto nyong makatrabaho?
Ako po yung ex-housemates po na Kapamilya din. Gusto ko po sila makatrabaho.
Oh, yung kapuso ayaw mo.
Ay, sabi niyo po Kapamilya. Siyempre, Kapamilya sa kapuso.
Kapamilya lang, oo. Kasi
Yung
yung
tanong
question...
Yung tanong Kapamilya lang eh.
Oh, Miguel!
Yo, Miguel!
Yung tanong po Kapamilya lang.
Hindi, yun yung question kasi, guys. Oo, sumunod lang si Miguel. So, talagang ano, no, siya yung sinabi niya rin kanina, ang isasama niya, si Heath. Parang talagang yung connection niyo dun sa housemates, talagang andun pa rin, no?
Yes,
Gusto niyo
po.
pa rin sila makasama, makatrabaho.
Tsaka dun po sa loob, hindi mo ma-realize yung kapuso and Kapamilya. Hindi talaga. It's one big family talaga.
Wow, that's nice to know. Oh, kasi yun naman talaga yung goal din natin sa collab. Okay. And how about you, Crystal?
Ako po, lahat kasi ng
Gaya.
housemates. Ako po, lahat po ng ex-housemates. Hindi na po
Hindi yun
kapamilya. Lahat po na ex-housemates. Tsaka po, I also want to work with veteran actors. So, Miss Angel Locsin, Miss Vilma Santos. Yeah.
Have you met Miss Angel Locsin?
Hindi pa po.
Ano ba yan, Joaquin? Para saan pat magkaibigan kayo?
Kasi, lagi ko siyang inaaya, lagi siyang nasa bahay.
Ah, ayun lang. Homebody.
If you know Crystal as a person, it's like, she values her own self-time. And like, you know. But, if you wanna hang out, like, sure.
Naiyak.
No problem.
Ayun na eh, oh. Ayun na eh. Okay. That is for Crystal and Miguel lang. Okay, ito naman ay for Lela. You mentioned that you want to officially start your career as an actress. Anong project ang gusto mo na mapabilang ka? And if given the chance, sino ang gusto mo maka-work?
Gusto ko po, what? Gusto ko pong maka-work. Ay, gusto ko pong siguro genre. Action po talaga. Action, rom-com. I honestly just wanna try everything. Lahat po
Sino kasama?
talaga. Syempre mga veterans yung idol ko po talaga. Ayan, si Miss Angel Locsin. Idol ko po talaga.
Me also.
And si
Ako
Miss... Yeah. Si Miss
Ako din.
Jody Santa Maria. And,
Action. Sa bagay kasi sporty si Lela, 'di ba? Nakita natin siya sa Star Magic All-Star Games, part of the Mythical Six, 'di ba? Oo. Speaking of sports, kayo ba ay involved din sa sports? Crystal, we were talking about this earlier.
ako po, right now, I do Muay Thai. Yun, martial arts.
Muay Thai, martial arts. Abangan po natin yun sa Star Magic All-Star Games. Magbabasagan po ng mukha ang ating Star Magic
Mukha lang po ni Miguel.
Muay Thai. Miguel, syempre, professional athlete. Wow.
Ice
Yes,
hockey
sir.
player po yan. Ice
Tennis po,
hockey
tennis.
player.
Tennis. May plano ka bang ipagpatuloy pa ang iyong pagiging tennis player din? Isasabay mo ba yan sa showbiz?
Siguro ngayon po, hindi na po as serious. Siguro hobby na lang. Hobby. Pag college ko, gusto ko sana mag-varsity.
Varsity.
Kaso, tingnan po natin kung may time.
Okay. Ano if
US
ever?
Open contender.
Anong
Miguel.
course gusto mo if ever?
Civil engineering po.
Wow.
Gusto ko po sana kaso hindi po kaya, pero ang goal ko po sana sa Ateneo po makatapos. Tapos, yan. Tapos, mag-culinary.
Ang dami. Okay. So,
Gusto po
civil
nila,
engineering,
Mami.
culinary, tennis. Why not? Plus showbiz. Okay. And Joaquin, do you do any sports?
Actually, I do a lot of sports, but I never really focused on one sport talaga, like basketball. But mainly like MMA, yung wrestling tsaka Muay Thai also. Like,
Oh, okay. So yan, may dalawang ano na po tayo, Muay Thai martial artists.
as
para
talaga
sa
ng sipa.
All-Star
You know,
Games.
when she first threw her kick like inside BBB, like she just kicked for no reason. Nagulat talaga kasi napakataas.
Nayanig yung buong bahay.
Grabe. Oo, sobrang...
Ito nagma-martial arts din.
As in si Crystal.
Nag-martial arts ka rin.
Ay,
Ang
sample.
lakas ng,
Sample,
ang
oh.
lakas ng
Sample,
suntok. For you.
Sample, magba-backflip daw po si Tala. Game.
Sige daw po, sasayaw daw po si Miguel. Gusto niyo ba mag-sample ng mga talent?
Ay,
Wala
Miguel.
naman.
Miguel
po, si Miguel dance.
For all, also
Actually po,
one.
Masyado na po.
sobrang...
Hindi na
na po siya umattend ng dance workshops namin kasi professional
Professional.
dancer.
Oo.
Masyado na po akong
Shots
That
sumasayaw
guy's
sa
a
mga
pro.
interview.
As in, pro
Super.
dancer po talaga.
Pero
Oo, talaga. Oo,
si
talaga.
Kailala po ako natuto, siya yung mentor ko. So, pag... okay na.
Kung si Miguel yung professional dancer
Okay na.
ng bahay, eto naman yung professional singer.
Ay, oo.
Hindi po talaga.
Shoutout po sa Star Music.
Yes, sir!
Para sa ating big winner. De, pero abangan natin yung mga iba nyo pang pwedeng gawin, na genres and mga projects nga. Kasi you're all very talented. You have diverse hobbies and interests. So, I'm sure marami pa kayong pwedeng ma-explore. Okay. Punta na tayo sa ating next question. This one is for Joaquin naman.
Ay.
Ito na nga dahil nga nababanggit na natin si Miss Angel Locsin kanina pa. Ano naman ang masasabi mo sa all-out support ng stepmom mo na si Angel Locsin throughout your PBB journey?
Ayun nga, like, when I went out, one of the first things na sinabi sa akin is, naging active talaga si Tita Angel sa pagtanggol sa akin and like sa pag-support sa akin, and I'm really grateful na pinagtanggol ako ni Darna. And not just her, pero yung mga supporters din niya, as in yung mga supporters din niya, pinagtanggol din nila ako, and like they also supported me just as much as Tita Angel did, which I'm really grateful for all of you. That's
Yes.
what
And kaya rin siya big deal kasi nga usually ay tahimik si Miss Angel
Yeah,
online. So bigla siyang bumalik sa pagiging active for you. Oo, kaya yun yung sinasabi rin ni Joaquin na such a big deal. Totoo naman. Okay, now
I love her
let's
so
go
much.
to our next friend from the media na magtatanong. We have Franz Sahorda.
Hi
Hi,
guys.
Kuya Franz.
Hi,
Hello
good,
po.
good evening
I like your
everyone. Good
glasses.
afternoon everyone. Congratulations, Big Four. Okay, before I proceed with Joaquin and kanina babanggit yun na si Angel Locsin, bigla ko lang na-imagine tuloy kasi parang lahat gusto niyo makatabaw si Angel and ikaw nakatabaw mo si Miss Angel way back, Botchok. So parang na-imagine ko tuloy na parang family drama kayong apat with Miss Angel Locsin Sumo. Magandang yun.
I love that.
Anyway, quick question first with Crystal. Okay, habang nasa loob ka ng bahay, lahat ng tao dito are raving about your performance sa What Lies Beneath. Yes. Actually, quoted saying sa Kapamilya chat, sinabi ni Kyla na you are so good na nahirapan siyang sundan ka. My question is, can you, may kwento lang, kung how was the experience of doing What Lies Beneath? And on set ba? Kasi natanong ko yun kay Rike at kay kay Eliza kanina. Ikaw rin ba, alam mo ba at that point kung sino yung killer? O nung pumasok ko na PBB na, alam mo naman kung sino yung killer ng show? Or,
Ako po, kami pong young Mabels, alam po namin kung sino yung killer. Kasi po, andun po kami nung ginagawa namin. Tsaka, na-wrong send po yung...
ayun yung
na-wrong send po sa amin yung script, pero nalaman din naman po namin kasi sinabi po sa amin ni Direk. But ako po... paano ko po pinaghandaan si Erica? Honestly po, I just really read my script. Tsaka hindi ko din naman po yung magagawa if wala pong tulong ng mga directors ko. Tsaka at the same time po talaga, I really, really immersed myself with my character. I asked my director so many questions. Hindi lang because I'm a curious person, but because I really want to get to know my character. And gusto kong magawan siya ng magandang performance talaga. And I'm happy na maganda po yung pagtanggap sa kanya ng mga tao. And I'm really, really proud of my character na si Erica. Because I really did my best po talaga.
sobrang galing extending 50 pesos scene doon. So, yun. Congratulations, Erica. Erica ang tawag namin sa dito sa outside.
Salamat po.
And for Joaquin and Lela. And then, by the way, Joaquin, napanood din namin tropang GO80 and you were so good in it.
Oh,
Congratulations.
thank you so much. Also, I like your shirt. Life, and then there's a battery, and then it's like 3 bar. It's like a letter E.
Thank you, Joaquin. And naalala ko lang yung nilaunch kayo nung Star Magic way back, way back last year. But my question is, kasi nabanggit na yung si Miss Angel, and then ikaw, nabanggit nyo na yung first 24 hours, di ba? So, kayo, nung nakita nyo si Miss Angel, and since we're curious about si Kuya Daniel mo, ano yung mga unang sinabi nila sa inyo, or mga unang moments ninyo na pwede nyo i-share sa amin pagkalabas nyo ng bahay ni Kuya?
Paglabas ko po, pagsalubong ko kay Kuya DJ, una niya pong sinabi sa akin na I'm proud of you. Yun po agad. And then he just hugged me.
And actually, di ba, quiet din si Kuya Daniel mo sa social media. Then, last few nights, bigla siyang nag-post ng support sa'yo talaga.
Ah, really?
Sa tweet, we saw it on X, nag-post siya ng so,
Wow. Thank you, Kuya.
Yung sa pagboto yun, di ba?
yes, sa pagboto. Nagulat ka kayo, I was si DJ. Parang, ikaw naman, Joaquin, how was it with Ano yung mga unang sinabi si Miss Angel pag ano?
Puro kwentuhan lang talaga. As in, like, as soon as I got home, it was like, the door, we closed the door. Okay, so, it's like, kami ng apat na pamilya, like, my mom, my dad, Tita Angel, tsaka yung lola ko si J-Lo. As in, parang ano siya, like, imagine you going home with your best friends after something crazy just happened. They're just gonna go, like, my point is, crazy talaga yung kwentuhan and it just went on and we didn't notice that time passed by. Kasi hindi lang siya kwento from me to them, pero kinwento din nila yung mga nangyari sa outside world sa akin. Kasi, ayun, I got out and it's like, masayang event talaga. So it's all like stories, lahat ng kwento na nais nilang ikwento sa akin.
Thank you, guys. And to Miguel naman, okay, so you've always been known as a very good child actor. Napanood ka namin sa napakaraming mga and that includes say one more time with your and nangumiti ang langit kayong dalawa. Super, my question now is, after PBB, how would you want people now to see you, to look at you? Kasi syempre, kumbaga, iba na to eh. Parang nung pumasok ka dun, wow. So how would you want people now to know or to look at you now? As Miguel.
Yun nga po, kagaya po ng sinabi nyo, matagal na po ako sa industriya po. So, ang nakikita lang po nila is yung mga show ko po, yung mga characters ko po. But now po, siguro, nung pagpasok ko ng PBB, siguro ang gusto ko pong makita po nila sa akin is si Miguel naman. Si Miguel Vergara naman po. Hindi po yung mga characters niya, just me po, and how I'll grow inside the house. Kasi yun nga po, kagaya ng sinabi ko, habang kinikilala po nila ako, kinikilala ko din po yung sarili ko. So, siguro yun lang po yung gusto kong makita po nila sa akin dun sa PBB is kung sino si Miguel.
Okay, last na lang. Kasi ngayon, syempre, uso yung mga shipping, mga love team, mga ganun-ganun. Hindi ko alam kung gusto niyo magka-love team or not. For if ever given the chance, sino yung gusto niyo maka-team up for a project? Kahit hindi naman exactly love team, maka-team up na, maka-pair na, yes. Pwedeng pwedeng housemate, pwedeng
Go, Miguel!
within the star, pwedeng kapuso. Pwede sa kapuso kung gusto niyo.
Let's go, Miguel! Go, Miguel!
Go, lahat kayo.
O, ikaw na,
Go, Miguel! Let's go, Miguel!
Pag-alsa si Tita Chris pag di-safe yung tanong. Sige, go.
Siguro ano po, ayun, si...
Let's go, Miguel!
Ayun, siguro si Eliza po.
No way!
Pero di ba, you were the young Yves dun sa What Lies Beneath.
Yes
din?
po.
So yun. So,
Pinawisan ako dun.
nagkaano rin kayo.
Gusto ko yung may sariling sound effect.
Oo nga.
Yun yung team song nila. Sa loob.
Thanks, Miguel. Ayun. And how about you naman? Okay, sino na next?
damn.
Go.
Kalalili.
Sinong gusto niya maka-team up? Hindi necessarily love team kasi baka mamaya mabash tayo or anything. Pero sige, go. Ikaw, Krista.
Ako po kahit sino naman po talaga. I'm really open to be working with anybody naman po. Tsaka kung sino pong ibigay sa akin, yun. I think mapaghahandaan naman po naming dalawa yun.
Pero question lang, kasi nakita ng mga tao, sobrang galing, no, even si Miss Gladys was acknowledging, ang galing mo magkontrabida. So, game ka ba, willing ka ba, if ever magkaroon ng chance na maging ikaw ang Clara ng bagong generation? Na Gen Z Clara.
Of course, opo. Tsaka, super natuwa po ako nung sinabi po sa akin ni Miss Gladys yun. Super, I feel so honored po talaga. Kaya, of course, opo talaga. Tsaka, syempre may pressure po na kasama yun kasi if ever pangatlong Mara Clara na po yun, tsaka po yung pinanggagalingan po ng Mara Clara is magagaling ng mga artista po sa Pilipinas. But, if may bigay man po sa akin yun, gagawin ko po talaga yung best.
So, kung ikaw si Clara, sino sa tingin mo pwedeng Mara?
Caprice.
Caprice.
Or Jana.
Yes, alala ko yung John sa Lavender. Actually, Caprice and Mara Clara. And how about you, Joaquin? Ano yung look for na pwede mong maka-love team, maka-team up, kung hindi ka...
Maka-team up. Honestly, like, I've said this, like, a couple times before, pero, like, as an actor, like, with the art, you'd want to work with as much people as possible. Kasi iba-iba talaga yung mga experiences. Me, personally, I'm good with anyone, but, you know, it's management decision. But if you're to ask me, right now, I want to team up with Miguel. Because he's such a good actor. Yes, Miguel is such a good actor. And he's so handsome.
I'll take that. Thank you. And how about you, Lela?
Honestly, wala po talaga a specific person in mind. But yes, I'm open to work with anyone. If sino po yung makitaan nila na, if yun nga po, based po din sa question, yung ka-partner or ka-team up. Well, kung bala na po sila. Ako, I'm just here to work. I just wanna add.
And you know, parang interesting to see you and Daniel sa kung ano man yung next project ni Daniel. Kasi parang interesting kami makita paano on-screen dynamics, di ba? Ano? So,
Yes, that would be fun. Pero ako po parang, wag po muna. Di ko pa po kayo makipagsabayan kay Kuya. Gusto ko muna mag-practice muna.
parang ganun din yung thoughts niya on working with Miss Angel. Na parang, ano. But anyway, congratulations guys.
Thank you.
And super
Thank you
deserving
much.
kayo.
Thank you so much, Kuya Francis. Nice shirt.
Thank you po.
Thank you so much po.